Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of fighting frizz and unruly hair every day? What if I told you that you can get salon smooth, shiny, and naturally straight hair, right at home, without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments? Stay tuned, because today I'm revealing 2 powerful, natural DIY hair smoothing treatments, tailor-made for your hair type. And wait till you hear the secret ingredient that transforms dry, damaged hair into silky perfection. Why DIY natural treatments? In today's world, so many of us want healthy, smooth hair but are worried about the damage chemicals cause. That's why natural DIY hair care is exploding in popularity. But not all gels or masks are created equal. Aloe Vera and Flaxseed gels are among the best natural hair smoothers, but they work differently depending on your hair type. So, let's break it down, which one is best for you, and how to get salon-like results without the salon price. Aloe Vera Gel versus Flaxseed Gel. Aloe Vera Gel. Perfect for normal to oily hair. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and packed with enzymes and vitamins that soothe your scalp and lock in moisture. Aloe Vera also fights dandruff and reduces scalp itchiness, so if your scalp feels oily but your ends get frizzy, Aloe Vera is your best friend. Flaxseed Gel. Now, if your hair is dry, curly, or damaged, Flaxseed Gel is a game changer. Made by boiling flax seeds in water until they release a thick, sticky gel, it's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and nutrients that strengthen hair strands and reduce breakage. It forms a flexible hold without stiffness, making curls soft and manageable. But here's the catch, flaxseed gel alone is amazing, but adding natural moisturizers like banana and mayonnaise takes it to a whole new level of nourishment. The 2 powerful DIY recipes. DIY 1. Aloe Vera Smoothing Treatment for Normal to Oily Hair. Ingredients. 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon rice flour, for light smoothness, 1 tablespoon fresh milk plus 1 teaspoon honey, or coconut milk, 1 teaspoon almond oil, 1 teaspoon jojoba oil, 1 vitamin E capsule, burst and add oil. How to use. Mix all ingredients to form a smooth blend. Apply on clean, damp hair. Comb through to evenly distribute. Wrap your hair in a half-wrap style with a scarf or towel to lock in moisture. Leave for 40 minutes, then rinse with a mild shampoo. Why it works. Aloe Vera soothes scalp oils and conditions hair without weighing it down. Rice flour adds a gentle smoothness, while the oils nourish and the honey locks in shine. Perfect for light frizz control and manageable hair. DIY 2. Flaxseed plus banana plus mayonnaise treatment for dry, curly, or damaged hair. Ingredients. 2 tablespoons flaxseed gel, 1 teaspoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon yogurt, or coconut milk, 1 half-ripe mashed banana, 1 teaspoon mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, 1 vitamin E capsule, burst and add oil. How to use. Mix until creamy. Apply generously from roots to ends, avoid too much on oily scalp. Wrap hair in a warm towel or shower cap to boost absorption. Leave for 45 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with mild shampoo. Why it works. Flaxseed strengthens hair, banana nourishes and smooths, mayonnaise repairs with protein and moisture, olive oil deeply hydrates, and honey adds shine. This is a deep conditioning powerhouse for dry, damaged hair that leaves it silky, strong, and frizz-free. Pro tips for best results. Always apply on freshly washed, damp hair for best absorption. Wrap your hair in a scarf or towel to trap heat and enhance treatment penetration. Use mild, sulfate-free shampoos after treatment to maintain natural oils. Avoid daily chemical straighteners. Natural treatments improve hair health over time. Consistency is key. Try these treatments once or twice a week for noticeable improvement. Which treatment suits your hair type? Comment below. Aloe Vera for normal hair or flaxseed plus banana for dry, damaged hair? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty hacks. Your healthiest, smoothest hair is just a DIY away. Thank you for watching.